Hi, my name is Corey Jacoby. I'm the lead interior designer of our company, Jacoby Company. I own it along with my husband, Gary. And today we take you to a home that's in Westlake Village, which is just fabulous. And it's a Santa Barbara style home, which is lovely. We've done every room in the house, and it's been so much fun. The clients have been great, they're creative, they're lovely. And right now we're in their family room, and what we decided to do over here right behind me is faux Roman shades, which means they're fake. They don't operate. They don't need to operate. All they need to do is stand there and look beautiful. It's almost like when you have a dress, for the ladies out there, and you want that perfect pair of shoes. Well, that's what a faux Roman shade does. Do you need it? Not really, but do you want it? Yep, I do, I want it. So that's what we can offer you. So if we come out to your home, I'll give you these little tidbits of what we can do. We can make it fantastic, because your home is your showplace. This is their showplace, and they feel good about it every day. And that's why we've been working here for over a year. We go room by room with my husband, Gary, who, let me introduce you to him. Gary, because he's busy measuring. Can you say hi?
Hello, everybody.
This is our installer, my installer, so you'll meet at your job sites. And right now he's measuring for custom furniture that we're going to be doing for them and the reupholstery work. So we can do it all from start to finish. Can we, Gary? Can we not?
We can do that and so much more.
Wow, like
yes.
what? Like what?
I'll let you know when I get there.
Oh yeah, Gary's nice, you're going to love him. So anyway, we look forward to your phone call. We look forward to meeting you. Your family will become our family, and it's as easy as that. So let's get to it. Give us a call at Jacoby Company, right? High five, Gary.